Are you both ready?
Yes, Mom, I'm ready. Me too. Do you have your lunch boxes? Yes, it's in my hand. I'm sitting by the window. I want to see the school first.
You will see it soon.
Look, there are many kids on the road. Yes, they are going to school too.
Good morning. Welcome to school. Good morning. It's their first day. That's wonderful. What are your names?
My name is Ryan.
Class, we have 2 new friends today.
Hi, everyone. Hello.
Okay, please take your seats now. Let's start our day. It's the first day of school. Backpacks ready, lunch boxes and water bottles ready, school uniforms and shoes ready. I hope everything goes smoothly today.
Good morning, honey. Why did you wake up so early today?
I'm excited and a little nervous.
Nervous, but why?
It's Yummy and Ryan's first day of school.
Oh yes, our little kids are growing up.
You prepared everything already.
Yes, I checked 3 times.
You're the best planner.
I just want them to have a perfect day.
They will. Everything is ready. Should I wake them up now?
Yes, please. You go wake them up. I'll prepare breakfast.
All right, let's make this a wonderful first day.
Yes, let's do it.
Good morning, sleepyheads. 5 more minutes.
Is it morning already?
Yes, and it's a very special morning.
Why is it special?
It's your first day of school.
Really? Today? Oh, I forgot. Come on, time to get up. I'm excited.
Let's go get ready.
But I'm also a little nervous.
That's normal. Your mom and I felt the same when we were kids.
Will we make new friends?
Of course, you'll meet many new friends.
Where's my toothbrush? Here it is. Oh no, too much toothpaste.
Watch me gently squeeze.
Now brush up and down and round and round.
Kids, time to get dressed. The uniforms are ready.
Wow, they look so nice. I like this shirt. Mom, can you help me with my buttons?
Of course. All done. There you go. All done.
Thanks, Mom.
Now wear your shoes.
I'm ready. How do I look?
You look very smart.
I'm ready too.
Wonderful. You both look perfect.
I feel like a big girl now.
Breakfast is ready. Come and sit down.
Wow, it smells delicious. I'm very hungry.
You both look great in your uniforms.
Thank you, dear. Here is your milk. Be careful. It's warm.
Thank you, Mom.
Eat well. You need energy for school.
Are you both ready?
Yes, Mom, I'm ready. Me too. Do you have your lunch boxes? Yes, it's in my hand. I'm holding mine too.
And your water bottles?
I have it right here.
Good. You are very responsible.
I'm sitting by the window. I want to see the school first.
You will see it soon.
Look, there are many kids on the road. Yes, they are going to school too. I see a school bus.
We are almost there.
My heart is beating fast.
Don't worry, it will be a wonderful day.
Wow, this is our school. It's so big.
Yes, this is your new school. I see many children.
Okay, everyone, let's get out of the car. I'm a little nervous.
That's okay. We are right here with you.
I think I will make new friends.
Of course you will.
Good morning. Welcome to school. Good morning. It's their first day. That's wonderful. What are your names?
My name is Ryan. And I'm Yummy.
Nice to meet you both.
Please take care of them.
Don't worry, they are in good hands.
Mom, will you come back soon?
Yes, we will pick you up after school.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Have a great day.
Learn new things and have fun.
We will. Bye. Bye.
This way, please. This is your classroom. Come inside.
Wow, there are so many desks and colorful pictures on the wall.
You can sit here together.
I like this classroom.
Class, we have 2 new friends today.
Hi, everyone. Hello.
Okay, please take your seats now. Let's start our day. Our kids are growing up so fast.
Yes, it's a big day for them.
They look happy and confident.
I think they will have a wonderful first day.